Okay, we're going to look at some basic photo manipulation here, rotation, flipping, things like that for edit purposes. Let's go into a photo here. Now I'm in the library module. If I want to rotate that photo left or right, I have arrow keys at the bottom down here to rotate that photo with. Sometimes you may take a photo and one of two things happens. Either the accelerometer in the camera doesn't sense the proper orientation for the photo, or you just think it looks better in a different orientation. And you're allowed to do that. You can move and change from a portrait to a landscape even before you go into cropping, and you can do that in library. Let's go to develop and look at that same thing, except I want to show you the key combination for that. And the key combination is command bracket left and bracket right, and those keys are next to the P key, and doing command bracket left or bracket right will rotate your photo. If you need to do that and you don't remember the key combination, all these things are going to be under photo here, which down here we have rotate left and rotate right, clockwise and counterclockwise. Here's one though that is a little bit different. This is flip horizontal or flip vertical. And you may say, well, when am I going to do that? Well, maybe you've taken a picture in a mirror, or maybe you've taken a photo that just for whatever reason looks better. You know, maybe we just don't like that angle in the particular direction it's going, and I feel better if the photo, we're going to flip this one horizontal. You know, it looks like this. Now we got the letters back here that are backwards, so you got to be a little careful of that, and other things that are telltale signs that you flipped a photo. Other times it's just fun to flip the photo, get the mirror image, because it just creates a different look that's somewhat hard to define. And again, we're trying to tell stories and to get our viewers to the people that see our images to take interest in them, and that's one tool you have. So that is rotate left, rotate right, flip horizontal, and flip vertical. I'd like you to take a photo and manipulate it using rotate left and rotate right, and use a flip horizontal and flip vertical to make the image different than what it was originally. You can still go in and use all your other develop module settings and even recrop it, but see what that image looks like. Maybe, you know, I'm looking at this one here. Perhaps if I do a rotate, just this orientation makes this image look a little bit different. Maybe it was a different perspective from how it was taken, or just one of those types of images that just looks weird and it works. Anyway, I'd like you to pick two images, one that you have done a flip horizontal or flip vertical to, and another one that you've rotated in a way to create a new image from the original one you've taken.